welcome back to my channel to Beauty, Health and Style. Guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of neck band fan, and this my husband had ordered from Amazon on my birthday, but I just received it yesterday and I was so excited, so I thought why not I do the unboxing with you all guys. And this is the product what I got, and this is it guys. This is called the Duo fan, and it says what it says here. It says fun fan, enjoyable life. Guys, you can see, and I'm so excited. So guys, we're going to open this and we're going to do the unboxing of this. So let's see what exactly inside it is. Oh my god guys, you can see this comes with the instructions also, and this is how it looks, and this is the neck band fan. Guys, you can see it's in white in color, and it's has a silicone structure, very flexible. You can move it the way you want, and it also has the USB charging cable where you can charge it at least for 3 hours, and then you can use it till 2 to 8 hours anywhere you go. And guys, this has such a nice quality. The plastic is so good, so nice quality. I'm just loving the quality of this. And this is for charging. You need to charge. You need to plug it here, and this is the place for charging this fan. So guys, this is the button for the fan and the light. So now I'll show you how it works. It works in low, medium, high. This is the low. Then the medium. Then the high. So cool. And then goes back to low. And you need to off it. So this is how it works. And then there's a light also, red light, and then they have it green light. Oh wow. And blue light, white light. This is so cool and so convenient guys. So guys, I'm going to wear it and show you. So guys, you have to wear it like that in your neck. That's why it's called a neck band fan, and you can adjust it the way you want it. But you need to tie your hair because the fan is rotating and your hair might get caught inside. So you have to be very careful. So guys, this is so cooling. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. So when you're walking in the dark, the light is also there, and you're getting nice cool air from this fan. And in this hot summer heat, you know, if you're going anywhere, if you're going even in the office, you're walking in the road, you can, you know, take this neck band fan and you can, you know, enjoy this in the summer especially. And even if you're going for a workout in the park or anywhere, you know, you can wear this and do your workout. You enjoy also doing your workout, and the heat, you know, it's very cooling. Oh my god. And this is so good guys. If we ladies always work in the kitchen, we are cooking and we feel so hot in our face, we start sweating. So this is very cooling. Oh my god guys, this is so you must have this product. You must have this guys. It's very necessary. It's not a luxury, it's so necessary in the summer, you know, especially it's so hot, and this is the best thing, so cooling. And you can just, you know, do it. It's very flexible. You can do the way you want it, and it doesn't, you know, even if I'm moving, see, it doesn't move guys. Even if you're dancing, it doesn't move. It's so, you know, it just stays in that place, so you don't have to worry. You can do your nice workout and you're enjoying that fan also. And you know, in many places they don't have air conditioned fans, so this is very convenient. You just wear this and you just charge it. Of course, you need to charge it at least for 3 hours, and then you're good to go for 2 to 8 hours. It works nicely. So, and you can charge it anywhere. And when you're in the car also, sometimes your ACs don't work, it's very hot, you're sitting in the car waiting for somebody, this you just wear it and you just enjoy. My god, this is so cool. I'm just loving it. This is the best gift, guys, I got from my husband. I'm so happy and it's really worth it, guys. And especially, in the kitchen, oh my god, I'm really happy because in the kitchen, we are half the time in the kitchen after our work. So this is the best thing to keep yourself cool. Otherwise, if you on any other fan, the gas gets off, it's very irritating. So this is so convenient, the fan is just there, just right in your face, because in your face you sweat and you get a nice cool. I'm feeling so cool right now. It's really getting hot even in Japan, guys, right now. So this, I'm going to take it for my workout when I'm going in my, in the park. I do my workouts, very tough workouts, and this is going to keep me nice and cool, guys. Even when you're driving the car, you can use this, It's so convenient. So this is the best gift to give your husband or your wife. They're going to be so happy, especially in the summer. It's the best thing, guys. You can have it. And so, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do hit the icon button so you'll get notification whenever I post a new video, guys. So, guys, I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay healthy, stay at home, and be happy, guys. Bye, guys. Love you all.